A new free obstacle course just dropped this week. You can get it for free on my website. This time I'm teaching 5 more shortcuts taken from my larger class, Hyperspeed Efficiency. This time I put a built-in timer into the free course. I also put on the end of it where you can log your best times. So stay tuned for the walkthrough. Here we go. Just like other obstacle courses, you don't save this. You close without saving. Otherwise, you get a non-fresh obstacle course when you try to pull it back up. Also, you want to make sure there's nothing behind this, no other workbooks open. If you have something open by accident, just close it, open this up again. Otherwise, the timer doesn't work right. Timer works like this. You put an X to start, X to stop, and the difference gives you your time. So on to the first one, Alt-HOI, if you know how to highlight using my highlighting shortcuts in the other free obstacle course I offer. Do that, and then Alt-HOI, and you've auto-adjusted columns. The way I remember that is HOI like hoist, Alt-Hoist. When you hoist something, you hoist it up. What else goes up and down? Columns. Just the easy way to remember that. And it sure as heck beats doing like this kind of thing and done, right? Don't do that. Shortcuts instead. Alt equal sign, a lot of people know this. Do they use it in real life? I don't know. Have they practiced it before to where they can execute it without thinking? Probably not. So if you're used to taking your old Excel shortcut and looking up at it and then doing your thing, no, that's not very efficient. And it's actually very distracting. So it will slow you down to have to do that. So practice these, get them down, then it's like riding a bike. You know it forever. Make it click and it sticks for life. Put your cursor in the cell you want to total, hold down Alt, tap equal sign, and then hit enter. Alt HBA. Remember H however you want to. You can call it Hiya, you can call it Home, whatever you want to call it. A great many shortcuts that you use commonly are in the Home tab. So Alt H is how you start. And if I want to make a border around all these, as seen in the picture here, Alt HBA. This obstacle is to change the font size. So I highlight what I want to change the font size of. Alt HFS, font size, type a 30, hit enter, and I'm done. And just like that, we're at the end of the obstacle course. You have the ability to log your best times right here. I've got 12 spots. If you run it 12 times, you'll be able to see, and if you want to, graph how you've done on this. So I think that was a nice touch. Also here I have a coupon for half off Hyperspeed Efficiency shortcuts. It's got 90 videos. It's got over 20 obstacle courses and challenges. And again, I focus on click, make the lesson click so it sticks. Learn it once, know it forever. It's not like one of those things that you see a hint on, you learn it, and then all of a sudden you forget it when you want to use it in real life. It's not like that. I've taught people like this for 15 years. So basically this is 15 plus years of Excel efficiency that you don't have to work so hard to get. So let's run through this and see how fast I get. "17 seconds. Now I think I got hung up on one of those. Let me go through this again. All right, so start the timer, go over here, highlight everything, Alt HOI, and we've got Alt equal sign, enter. Then we have border, Alt HBA, that's fine. And then we have Alt HFS 30, enter. And what do you know? I can't control tab off of this one. I have to hit escape first and then do it. Kind of a weird twist on that one. So knowing that, I'm going to run this again. I like to reset my cursors too, if I'm just undoing it and going back to the start. "14 seconds, I'll take it." So what time did you get? Post it in the comments. Tell me if this is helpful. Till next time.